What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how you can use Apple shortcuts to create custom automations and app icons on the iPhone 12. Now, if you've never used this app before, it is really cool. There are a lot of things you can do with it, so I'm going to take it slow. Also, if you guys could smash a like button as I'm going over this, I would definitely appreciate it. Now, as soon as you have it opened up, you're going to see some different options. It's going to say all shortcuts, and then there's some starter shortcuts. You're also going to see an option that says automations. So we're going to take a look at automations and create our own automation. There's going to be two different options. Now, you could create a personal one or set one up with your home with like appliances, but I'm just going to make this easy, and we're just going to do with like a personal automation. When you click create a new one, you're going to have some different options. I'm going to go with the alarm. So for example, let's say we want to have something go off when we wake up, and I'm going to have it set to, when we wake up. Then after that, we're going to click next. Then we're going to need to add an action. So from in here, you can, do a few different things. But let's say, for example, we want to use an app, or we want an app to go off when we wake up, such as the weather app. So you can have the weather forecast go off exactly when your alarm goes off in the morning, and then you can create this new automation. It's pretty cool. So that's just one example, right? And you can do a lot of different things there. And then, it's basically like a set and forget once you've set that automation up on here. But you can also create app icons, which is really fun. I've done this in the past, and I'll do a couple examples for you guys. But, let's say that we want to create a new shortcut. Then I'm going to search for open app at the bottom right there. Now, once I do that, you're going to want to choose an app that you want to open. And it's going to basically pull up everything you have. I'm going to start things off here with Instagram. And then, I'm going to tap this little icon in the top right-hand corner. Now I got to name this new shortcut I'm creating with Instagram. So I'm just going to name it Instagram. Then I'm going to click add to home screen. Now, once I do that, I just need to name it one more time. So we just got to type in Instagram here. And then I'm going to pull up this really cool app icon I've got of Instagram right here. It's kind of like it's just like an artsy looking, logo. It's pretty sweet. Okay, so I'm going to click save. We're going to add it to, the background here, and then we're going to go take a look at this new custom app icon. Check that thing out. How sweet does that look? Now I'm just going to drag it over real quick. I want to put it in its own section, and I'm going to do one more for you guys, but check it out. So when I click on it, it's now going to open up Instagram like so. And yeah, that's what we did right there. It's pretty sweet, right? So that's basically, how you create custom app icons on your iPhone if you've never done that before either. But I'm going to do one more example. So we want to click new shortcut. We want to search for the open app option. We need to choose an app. I'm going to do Robinhood because I've got a pretty sweet looking, logo for Robinhood on here. Then we need to click the little option right here in the top right-hand corner. Name the shortcut. And we need to click add to home screen when we're done with that. Name it one more time. And then we need to choose a photo. I had a cool one already picked out. And you could have a lot of fun choosing, these custom kind of app icons, that they have. You could just search for them on Google, honestly. But yeah, there you go, guys. So Shortcuts by Apple, it's really cool, like I said, because you can create these custom app icons, but you can also create automations, and you can have a lot of fun with it, honestly. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, not just for the iPhone 12, but it works for any iPhone you guys currently have. And like I said, if you could smash a like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.